Now your Storm Track 7 forecast on KWWL.
I'm Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. Wind looks pretty light as we head through the overnight hours. A southeast wind, roughly a light wind, maybe 10, 12 miles an hour at times as we get into the early part of the afternoon, all out of the southeasterly direction. As for the rain, it'll be moving into the picture here as we get closer towards midnight. Otherwise, the clouds will be around through the evening hours all the way through Thursday and into the morning hours on Friday. So here's the widespread rain expected by tomorrow morning. Everybody will be dealing with rain, and that rain will eventually sort of wind down just a little bit, become a bit more isolated or scattered as we get towards lunchtime. Clouds will linger, and we'll may see an isolated shower as we get into the afternoon. Most of the rain will occur overnight from midnight to about lunchtime here on Wednesday. Cloudy skies, again, just an isolated shower. As you see, an isolated shower between 6 p.m. and midnight as we get into Thursday morning. Now watch after midnight, we'll start to see a little more rain. As we get into the day on Thursday, there'll be some rain and even some isolated thunderstorms as a possibility. As we head towards lunchtime, that's the yellow and orange shaded area, so some isolated storms are a possibility, isolated in fashion. Here we are during the evening hours. So during the day on Thursday, that's pretty much going to be a very wet day. And then more isolated storm chances as we get towards the evening and into the overnight. So by midnight, we're going to start to see some cooler air push on in, a north wind at this point. And some of this rain will mix or change over to some light snow. Some minor accumulation across our northern and northwestern counties here as we head into the overnight hours. It'll end shortly after the sun comes up, so we may have a little bit of light snow here during the early morning hours on Friday. That will move to the east and the clouds will clear. A big temperature change expected between Thursday and Friday. First, we'll talk about how much rain we'll see. Area-wide, 1 to maybe 2 inches. Don't sort of keep 1.5 in Monticello. Maybe 1.8, maybe 1.3, but between 1 inch and 2 inches of rain is expected. And the higher numbers will be where any isolated thunderstorms pop up. So if there's a thunderstorm to the north, that may be a little bit higher to maybe 1.5 inches. So again, 1 inch to maybe 2 inches in some places. Now keep in mind that is rainfall amounts for tonight and tomorrow, as well as the rain and isolated thunderstorms as we get into the day on Thursday. Now, come Friday, look at the wind chill numbers at 10 o'clock in the morning. Single digits north, teens to the south. Winds will be gusting to 40 miles an hour here during the day on Friday. So a cold day on the way. Don't put the winter coats away just yet. As for tonight, rain looks likely late. Again, this will be from midnight on. 30s for overnight lows. Rain tomorrow likely again in the morning, tapering off as we get towards lunchtime. Maybe an isolated shower in the afternoon. 40s for highs. Wind not too bad. As we look at your city-by-city forecast, we do have some thunderstorms there on Thursday. Temperatures in the 50s and 60s, but a big change as we get into the day on Friday. That rain, snow chance again early in the morning, then a clearing sky. Temperatures will be in the low 30s. Look for winds gusting to about 40 miles an hour. Saturday, sunshine, but a cold start. Teens for overnight lows. And then we're back into the 40s here on Sunday and Monday. Low 50s on Tuesday with a few rain showers.